Hello everyone, my name is Hicky and I'm a Zen photographer. My mission is to make the world a more peaceful and abundant place through photography. To achieve this, I'm not only working as a photographer, but I am also active in ways to spread happy photos. I am fourth generation photographer of a photo studio that was established in 1892, and I currently run 4 studios. As a Zen photographer, I have shot many famous people in Tokyo, from Olympic gold medalists and former prime ministers to presidents of corporations, authors, and workshop leaders. It may seem like things were always smooth sailing, but when the 2011 Great East Japan earthquake struck, I had a disagreement with my conservative father over how to run the business, and I was forced out of the company. This period after the Great Earthquake was very tough, and I was living off of my limited savings, but my money started to run out, and I also became depressed. So I thought I was about starting something I could do by myself at the moment, without spending money. And I decided to start a workshop for amateur photographers where I could share my photography knowledge and technique. By posting pictures and my thought about photography in a blog-like way on social media every day, the number of people enrolling in my workshops gradually grew, and somehow I was able to get by. My confidence also started to come back little by little, and with the support of my students, I was even able to win first place in a top-rated photography contest in Japan. Yeah! This was when I realized that what I was missing before was gratitude. From that point on, I decided to use gratitude as my foundation in my hopes of making many people happy. This is how I became a Zen photographer. As one of the ways to realize my mission, I'm also putting energy in family photos. I published a book called The Magic of Family Photos because I wanted to communicate that taking family photos can make you happy. In order to share happiness through photography with as many people as possible, I thought it was also important to develop many good photographers. So I launched the International Portrait Association, and I ran photography workshops to develop professional photographers as well as to improve one's photography skill. My special focus is to use lighting to bring out the best in photos, and I teach methods to create lighting to capture the subject attractiveness. The mind and spirit of person taking the photographs is important as well. So I also teach self-development for the photographer's mindset. Photos have a power to make people happy. By spreading the beauty photos, I believe that many people can enjoy a feeling of peace and live a life of abundance and happiness.